What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brap Genius, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your car battery in the 2013 Mustang GT. This goes for probably any Mustang, really, pretty much. There might be a few things that are a little different, but overall it's pretty simple, so we're going to get into it. Alright, so for this car specifically, you're going to need an 8mm socket wrench, and obviously you're going to need your new battery. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to loosen this bolt up first, which I already have done. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to get this out of the way. And to get in here, and what you need to do to pull off the battery, you're going to have to take off the terminals. You're going to have to take off the attachments for the battery itself. So you're going to use the 8mm socket and slowly just take off. Loosen that up, you could pop that off. I like to leave it still attached on there. Make sure it's nowhere near the battery. Keep it away from, you're gonna want to keep it from touching any other metal. I'm just gonna wrap it up like such. For now, like that. Car's off, but I just like to be safe. Next one we're gonna loosen up is right here. Alright, so now that one's nice and loose, you can see there. Do the same thing. Just very carefully pop this off of here. Alright. I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm just going to grab another rag, just wrap that around, keep it away from any other pieces of metal that are in the car. And then the last thing we're going to do here, we're just going to unscrew this, which like I said, I already loosened. Now what that's going to allow us to do is pop this off. Pop this cover off. Set that down on the side. And we're going to pull this piece off here very carefully. Move that over the way. Out of the way over there, and now we can take off our battery. So we're going to carefully pull this off of here. We're going to put it on the ground because it doesn't matter if it drains, because it's our old battery. Now we're going to get our new battery. We're going to go put it on. Alright, so now we're just pretty much going to go in reverse order of what we just did. Slide that into place. Slide that back on there. Some cars don't even have this. You guys might not even have that. Some don't even have this strap. Alright, and that's down there nice and snug. That's not going anywhere. Alright, next step, we're going to pop this off. Alright, you're just going to pull that little rubber piece off. Push down your cover. Give yourself some more room. Put that one on first. And you want to make sure it's on there tight enough because you don't want it to come popping off if you guys hit a pothole or something. Slide this one on. Alright, and we're just going to finish tightening this one up. Now, if your headlights and taillights come on, don't be alarmed. You know, it's just like when you get out of your car and you close your door and the lights are on, at least for the 2013, 2014 Mustang GTs. You know, your running lights stay on for a minute or two. It's normal. My car just did it. I just wanted to make sure it was fine. So just wait a minute or two, make sure they turn off like normal, and then you can tighten it the rest of the way. So I'm going to grab this. And that's it, guys. That's how you change your battery on your 2013, 2014 Mustang GT. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. More videos coming. The next ones are going to be fun. They're going to be modifications. So if you guys like Mustangs in general, hit that subscribe button. I got motorcycles. I got the Mustang. We got all kinds of videos going on here. It's not just these simple tutorials for you. So make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Have a great day. Peace.